Hey, welcome back, Sneakerhead. How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get started, go on and give this video a big like. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
Come
And if you
on.
haven't done so already, go on and check out those back to school giveaways. Don't forget to comment your size and make sure that you're commenting on the right video. We have a kids, females, and males. So make sure you're commenting on the right video. On this video, we're doing the Jordan recaps. These are the sneakers that already came out and was released a few weeks ago. Go ahead and head it off, my brother.
Yes, sir. So starting with the two lows, there was a women pair that came out July the 6th. Varsity Royal. Currently, these are sold out on the sneaker app. None are available. So, with that being said, hey, it was a good day for those twos. It was a great day for them because if they're not available right now on the sneaker app,
Yes, sir. All right, so next, finishing off the Air Jordan 2 UNC Low. Now, these were set to release on July 8th on the sneakers app. However, they did not release. Nike still has pairs, I'm assuming. We don't know. Only time will tell. But they did release on other websites that did get them. I know for one, website Feature did have those, and I think Detail R had them as well. They
mm-hmm.
were pretty much sitting. I did look on StockX. You can currently pick those up for under retail. So if you want those sneakerheads, they're still available for you. Go and snatch them up.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you like content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.